So before we can start using LiveCode, we of course need to download that and install that. And the easiest way to do that is to go to downloads.livecode.com. And then you arrive at this page, and here you have kind of every version of LiveCode in all the flavors. And you need to know, of course, what version you should download, because if you have a subscription for the indie version, then you should use that one. If you have the Community Plus subscription, well, then you should use that one, and so on and so forth. But now we see that, because I said that it's kind of available in 4 flavors, but here we have also a community server. And what is that? Well, community server is that if you have a web server and you would like to use LiveCode as a scripting language for the web pages in the same way that PHP or ASP or Perl might be used, then you can download the community server, and then you set up that together with Apache, for example, and then you can use LiveCode kind of mixed in your HTML code. So that is a really powerful way to use LiveCode also. But now, as we would like to kind of develop for the or on the desktop, we should use one of these. And I have the indie edition, so I will download this one. But if you are starting up and using the community edition, then of course you should select one of these depending on your platform. And as you can see, Windows and Linux are both available in 32 and 64-bit versions. So there you need to know, it's most probable that you need the 64-bit version. But on the Mac there is only a 64-bit version, because Apple has decided that every application should be 64-bit. When you download, you just click the link and it will start to download your file. And I already have done that, because I thought that looking at this one is not that fun. So you will get a file, and dependent on your platform, if you download on a Windows machine, you will get an exe file, and that is the installer. On the Macintosh, you will get a package file that you need to double click, and when you double click on that one, it will first verify the file, and then you will get a window, and that window looks like this. So I have it on another screen here, so it looks like this. And then the only thing you need to do is that you just drag this one and drop it on the applications folder, and then it will copy every file. If you're on a Windows machine, well, then you can just double click the exe version and it will start the installation. So now when LiveCode is installed, we can start running LiveCode.